Good morning. I am coming to you from our new cafe. If you missed the email that was that landed in your inbox, or if you're subscribed to my email, so pretty exciting news that Marks and I bought a cafe. So here I am this morning. I just arrived. I'm a little later this morning because we didn't have any specific baking to do. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to take you on a little tour of our cafe. Okay, here is our cafe on the outside. Cinnamon Soul. There's cars going up and down the street here. All right, so let me take you in to our cafe. So here it is, Cinnamon Soul. We've got some Christmas lights all set up here. Let's go in. Oh, I don't have these lights on yet. So here's what our cafe looks like when you first walk in. We got some really cool pottery and coffee gear and some agendas and stuff. There's all of our fancy drinks. And we've got some yumminess in here, all of our treats and stuff. We made Nanaimo bars. Oh, look, you can see my reflection. Hi. You see my and some chowders, some soups up there. So that's all for takeout. And then you walk in here and you have our seating area. So here's our seating area, and the shelves over there are pretty bare because we've sold most of our pottery already, which is crazy. People go nuts for pottery. So I'm learning. So here's our seating areas. The tables are amazing. The previous owner, Joe, actually made those tables. And then we get into our kitchen. So here's the dishwasher. I gotta tell you, I was a little excited to use that dishwasher for the first time. Now I'm a bit over it. So here's our stuff, and then we get to our fancy espresso machine. Never made an espresso before. What are we now? Like, I think we're week 3. So at this point, I've made lots. There's some yummy treats. And we've got a beer tap there. We're licensed as well, so we have some pretty fun drinks. I made a Russian s'more for the first time yesterday. That was fun. Get a roasted marshmallow on top of that Russian s'more. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then here's our kitchen, like where all the magic happens. Little baker's table with all the flour bins under there that pull out on wheels. Those are pretty fun too, actually. And usually this is where I can be found every morning making cinnamon buns or bread or hot dog buns or hamburger buns or, whatever it is that we're making. This is where the actual prepping happens with the breakfast and the lunches, our stove, and then, so here's our cool oven. And I've got if I can take this up here, I've got some cinnamon buns that are sitting on top of the oven because they're rising at this moment, and I'm just going to turn the oven off and put them in the oven to finish rising for a bit. And then we've got our baker's racks, and we've got this massive walk-in fridge and our back door. And that is about it. That's a tour of our little cafe. I'm gonna turn this camera around to me if I can. No, I guess I can't. Oh, right, and I forgot this too. This is where our dessert magic happens. All of our desserts are prepped here. Our sticky bun bread pudding and our shortcakes and our anything with whipped cream, all that stuff happens there. I hope you enjoyed that little tour of our cafe. This is certainly where you can find me, where I've been spending a lot of my time over the past few weeks. And if you're from the area, stop in and come down and see us and have a coffee and have a yummy treat or some soup or a sandwich. And if you're not in the area, this is a huge tourist area. So maybe in the future that you will come down and you'll pass by our door and stop in. We'd love to see you. I will see you in the new year. It is 3 days, and I think it's 3 days. I don't even know the date. I'm pretty sure it's 3 days until Christmas. So enjoy your holidays and Happy New Year, and we hope to see you in the new year.